This is the case of primary pulmonary artery hypertension in 4 years old child. Unlikely finding. Only thing what you see, this is right atrium, right ventricle severely dilated. This is left atrium, left ventricle relatively small in size. You can see again the right atrium, right ventricle severely dilated. You can see the TR jet, moderate in nature, mild to moderate you say. Again this pulmonary registration jet, PR jet. You can see the D-shaped left ventricle. Left ventricle is simply D-shaped, indicating severely raised right ventricle systolic pressure. You can see the IVC dilated, does not change much with the different phase of respiration. You can see this, there is no ASD. Again the D-shaped left ventricle. Fourth chamber view. You can see all pulmonary veins draining into left atrium. This is a pulmonary vein draining into left atrium. So note the case of total anomalous pulmonary venous connection. D-shaped IVC. I want to show you how much pressure is there. You see the pressure across TRZ, the peak gradient is 69 mm of mercury. So indicating severely raised right ventricular systolic pressure, because RVSP equal to this 69 plus right atrial pressure. So chamber enlargement is quite high, severely enlarged. So ultimately you will add almost 20 mm of mercury to 69, then that will become almost 90 mm of mercury. So right ventricular systolic pressure will be 90 mm of mercury. So pulmonary artery systolic pressure is 90 mm of mercury, very high. So ultimately 4 years old child has got primary pulmonary artery hypertension, because no ASD, no BSD, no PDA, and this much rise in the pressure. No long history of any pulmonary infection, only history of 1 month, 1 month history of shortness of breath. So case is likely to be primary pulmonary artery hypertension in 4 years old child. You have to rule out what? ASD, BSD, ASD, BSD and PDA, no cardiac shunt lesion. Second thing, respiratory examination, respiratory chest CT, chest X-ray or history. Chest CT and chest X-ray will give you normal finding, at the same time history is very short. Then in case of primary pulmonary artery hypertension, the history is very long and chest X-ray and CT scan has lots of finding, then that will be coronary. But this case has got only history of 1 month of shortness of breath, so case is likely to have primary pulmonary artery hypertension.